don't have any issue with it.
I'm sure you are following all this stuff about the Presidential Council on Business.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are following the client. They are expected to have approval from the Office of the Comptroller General. So if you have this approval, this is the approval that gives us the authority to issue this. If they don't have this,
Just take me through this. I'm abroad. I want to come.
the company that is inviting you is expected to have applied to the Office of the Comptroller General